You ready? There's fish right there, Bubba. Think we can catch some? Don't be scared. It's just a little worm. Look, your brother's not scared. I guess he did. No, I gotta do it for you, Papa. It's okay. Let me do it for you. Weston, please stop. You want me to cast it for you?
No.
Are you sure you can cast it?
No.
Do you need help? Okay, here you go. Leave it there, okay? Where's the worm? Dean Bean? Come on, Dean Bean. We gotta find the worm. Oh, there it is. Found it. Well, here, you need help? Hold on, Dean Bean. We need a reworm. They took our worm. Hold on, Weston. Let me see. Give it. Here you go. Ah, buddy, you gotta leave it. Wait, Dean Bean. Hey, no. Wait. Do you want me to do it for you? Hold on. You tangled it up. Hold on. Let me see. Look, you see what you did? There you go. Leave it. Don't reel it in so fast, Papa. Dang it. Wait, stop. What are you doing? Here. You got one. You got one, buddy. Come here. Come here. You got one. You got a fish. Come here. Come here. You see, you got one. You got one, buddy. Here, hold your pole. Hold your pole. Hold it. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Hold on. Hold it. You wanna hold it? Hold the fishing line. Hold the fishing pole so I can take a picture. Say cheese. Go over there, Papa. Stay right there. Look, Dean. Look over here, Papa. Dean. Good job, buddy. Here, let me see. There you go. You wanna throw it back? Come here. Come here. Wait. Throw it. Hopefully. Huh? We gotta get another one. There it goes. Here, Weston. You'll catch another one. Here. There you go. You see it?
Yeah. Don't touch it.
You wanna catch one, Dean Bean? Ripping that hook out. What should I do? Swap hook sizes or keep trying? I'm gonna run out of worms. There they go. They're on it. There you go, Dean Bean. You got one? You wanna hold it? Look at this one, Papa. Look. You okay? It's okay. You okay? Look at Look, Weston. You gonna throw it? Both hands. Uh-oh. This almost looks like a crappie. No, but it's a... I don't know what this is. Both hands. Or just one hand, but throw it. Oh, Papa. He can't swim out of there. Say bye. Oh, it's okay. I'll get you another one. I'll get you another one. Can you hold this? Hold this for Daddy? He's having more fun over there, trying to find the worms. You want me to cast it for you? Let's see if we can get one, Bean Bean. Come here. Instantly. Instantly. I think we got one. I think we got one. Nope. We gotta try it again. Wanna try it again? It's going under. It's going under. So we need to get another hook. Or another worm. You wanna catch one? Alright, let me get one for Dean Bean, okay? Dean Bean! Weston, why you take that from her? Weston, give it. Oh my God, Weston, you're a little. So you know that, buddy? Do you want me to put a worm on it for you? I'm gonna need to cast it for you too, okay? All right, come on, Damien, let's catch one. Come here, come here, come here. There you go. Look at that one. Look at that one, Dean Bean. Come here, let me take a picture. Hold on, let me take a picture with your brother. Come here, can I take a picture of you? Okay, all done, all done. Here, Weston, come throw it back. Come here. Hold on. You okay? Oh, you're tangled. Hold on, you're tangled. Okay. Here, hold on. Come here, Weston. Come behind me. Come on, get in the picture, Weston. Do it. Good job.
I got the other one.
It went back home.
Look, something right here.
Yeah. You want to catch another one, Dean Bean? You want to catch another one? Here. You gotta put this on though. Yeah, they took her worm. What you got? Is that for me?
Yeah,
Is this for you?
that's for me.
This for you. No, you have a hook already.
No.
Put it back, please.
No.
Buddy, listen, look at me.
No.
Look at me. Hey, your thing already has a hook. Put this back, please.
What's that? Look. It's that. What's that? It's that. What's that? It's that. What is that?
What do you want? You wanna go home? You wanna go home, Dean Bean?
No.
No, we're not ready. We're not ready, Weston. Wait, Weston. You got one, Dean Bean? You got one, Dean Bean? Oh, no, you don't. No. No. Let me see when you put another one, Dean Bean. Wait, Dean Bean, please wait. Dean Bean, hold on. Let me... There you go. Wait. You got one, Dean Bean. You got one. You got one, buddy.
Wow.
Come on. Wait. That way. I think we got it. I think she's safe. All right, guys, you ready to go home?
Yay!
All right, let's go home.